Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I just finished up a 60-mile loop with a few U-turns because I missed roads and one almost trespassing because I ended up in a dead-end road. I guess I should have paid attention to the sign, but we're going to start and stop right here at the Helmick covered bridge. I'll have a GPX file for you pinned in the first comment down below. It is milesbymotorcycle.com. It will have a number. You should just be able to click it. If you don't have an account, sign one up. It's free. There's no money of any kind, at least for me. I don't know how the website makes money, but anyway, I screwed this GPX up. Actually, I started just about a mile on the other side of that bridge, but I do end right where I'm standing right now. That way you should have no problem finding this route and riding it. It's a really good mix of gravel, chip and seal, and a little bit of state highway. I think you'll like it. Stick around, stay tuned, and let me know how many of you made it to the end. It's a single lane bridge. And some idiot would have to do a burnout in here. Really? This road alternates back and forth between gravel, as you see now, and chip and seal when you're around the people's homes. I've been out here in the past, and having deer and turkey and things in the middle of the road is not overly uncommon. Okay, I'm going to make a right. Some riding stables down this road somewhere if you're into that kind of thing. Chipmunk. Gonna have to do this in the fall. Beautiful views. Okay, we're kind of making a sharp right here. Monroe Township 334. We just came off the road up there. This part of the gravel road here that we just turned on, 334, is maybe a lane and a half wide to give you some kind of perspective. Alright, this is a road. I'm supposed to go this way. Jefferson Township 30. That was kind of confusing. The trees, even though I could see it here on the GPS, the trees are blocking the view. Looked like I was going to go into their driveway. Cool lighthouse. Really cool. But if you got ship traffic in this area, we're in a world of hurt. No sooner stopped recording than you get this view right here. A lot of semi-blind hills here to where you're not sure, like right back there, when you're coming up, exactly what the road's going to do. I mean, even though I see it on the map a little bit. I love this tree canopy. That's pretty neat. Alright, we're coming into the town of Warsaw.
No, not Poland. Warsaw, Ohio. It's basically on State Route 36. The only reason I bring this one up, depending on the day and the time and the whole 9 yards, there's gas here in town. There's actually camping too up here by the river. But there's a restaurant, store, and if it's still in business, a little ice cream shop that sells basic foods like chicken strips, which I happen to really like, hamburgers, hot dogs, that kind of thing. And somebody's modified buck. There's the ice cream stand I was talking about. Not bad, I've been there before. Okay, after a few miles on State Route 36 heading towards Coshocton, we are going to make a right here on, it says no outlet. Really? Township Road 1225. Alright, let's see. We're going to turn here and see where this takes us. Well, know one thing, there's a farmer going that way. Alright, I made my right on Beth Township, or is it Bath Township? 42, something like that. Nicely groomed dirt road so far. Just because I don't see any stop signs anywhere, be extra cautious. Kind of reminds me of being in Missouri. Stop signs are for quitters. Man, that hay smells good right now. Coshocton County 3. No idea what road I'm on. Just crossed State Route 79 back there a little bit ago. Hey, there is a stop up here. Man, does it smell good back here. It says Coshocton 99, so is that what I was on? Or is that what I'm getting on to right here? I don't know. Alright, we are coming off of Newcastle Township Road 111, and I have no idea what road this is. Okay, we were headed east a little bit there on US 36 back towards Warsaw. Probably only a couple of miles from it, but now we just turned north on whatever this little dirt road is. I didn't think to look at the sign back there. I just wasn't paying attention, and I was supposed to make this right turn, which is now a left, which is a pretty good steep uphiller to begin with. almost done with this route. Don't have a whole lot more to go. If you've liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please mash that subscribe button down below, but don't go away yet. We still got a little bit more to do. Something up there on the road running. I can't tell what it is. Oh, it's a bird. Probably it was a turkey. Cool find. Let me know if you stuck around and caught this part at the end of the video. Been freshly graded by the looks of things. It's hard packed dirt. Made it really, really easy to climb. I think I'm going to end this video here. We're not too far away from the Helmick Bridge again. As you can see here on the map, I kind of just did all this and came right back out and around, and now I'm going to basically backtrack and go find something to eat. Hope you got something out of this video. Please, like I just said, give me a thumbs up and mash that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again, appreciate it.